Power interruptions don't just inconvenience you, they disrupt everything. But what if your power supply was reliable, every single day? Here in Ghana, more homes and institutions are turning to solar for a smarter, more dependable solution. At the International Charismatic Church headquarters, Optima Solar Systems delivered a complete solar installation designed for consistent, long-term performance. Using high-quality components and expert engineering, the system ensures efficient energy generation and seamless power management. Today, operations continue smoothly, without interruptions, without noise, and with significantly reduced energy costs. With regular maintenance and dedicated support, performance is sustained for years to come. Optima Solar Systems. The future is bright. The future is solar.